Begin with a looming strike threatening health care for thousands of patients statewide. And good evening, I'm Monique Minglavin.
I'm Steve Rabel. 15,000 workers in the Providence hospital system say patient safety is at risk. That includes Swedish Hospital in Seattle, where KIRO 7's Essex Porter stands by live. Essex?
And 8,000 of those workers are in the Swedish hospital system. But as you look at the hospitals around the state, you realize that a strike would affect every single corner of the state.
Dignified care for every patient who walks through our doors is important to us.
Healthcare workers rallied outside the Swedish hospital on Seattle's First Hill.
We struggle with unsafe staffing levels and loss of dignity for our patients and wages and benefits that are not enough for us to provide for our families.
Union members say understaffing affects patient safety. That's why they say an overwhelming majority have voted to authorize a strike.
Thank you.
Providence St. Peter Hospital in Olympia is another hospital where healthcare workers have voted to authorize a strike. Workers at Providence Hospital in Everett are poised to strike too. A look at the map shows the entire state would be affected by a strike. Workers have authorized a walkout at 11 Providence Swedish hospitals statewide. Jared Wicker and his wife just had a baby girl at Swedish.
So far, we've got great treatment from probably about 4 or 5 different nurses, and they've all been great. So, I mean, if I had to choose a side, I guess I would say I would take the side of the nurses for sure in terms of their pay and treatment and stuff.
The workers are asking for increased staffing and greater efforts to retain experienced staff, including a 7% raise in the first year.
For well over a year, we've been in bargaining where they have refused common sense contract solutions. Their only contribution to the process is they want to take away our sick leave, and now they want to charge us for parking.
Swedish says in a statement, "We are disappointed that SEIU 99 Northwest is using a strike authorization vote to exert pressure on Swedish at the bargaining process. A strike would not only represent a step backwards in our negotiations, but could prove disruptive to patients who count on us for their care." Now, this is a strike authorization, not yet a strike. There are 2 bargaining sessions coming up before a strike would finally take place. If those bargaining sessions are unsuccessful, we will let you know how things go. Reporting live in Seattle, Essex Porter, KIRO 7 News.